Got the 3 legs on, or the 3 feet. I had to basically take one off and move it forward and put a second one on, or a third one on I should say. Basically I had to take the entire rack apart except for these 3 pieces right here, this one. And what I'm going to have to do is put all these back in, put this side on, and then go to the other side because I need to add a foot like this one over there. The thing is I got to keep the rack in exactly the same place before I can tighten these down. And it's super hard to get to, almost impossible to get my hands under there. That's why I had to take these slats out to try and get it done. It took about an hour to put 1 foot on, but the other slats are going to go in pretty quick. That's where we're at. Got to do the other side, and then this rack will be complete to start putting the kayak V's back on. I've got some Typhoon bags I'll go through, put on, and then I'm going to start mounting the awning quick releases on both sides. That's where we're at.